Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. On a 7 day time frame chart, Filecoin has already broken out a quite long-term multi-year space resistance that was coming from the month of March 2021, and recently after the breakout we had a nice rally. By the way, from this low to the current high, it rallied almost 338%, but again got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40. Previously it was breaking as a resistance here, and recently we got another rejection here as well. By the way, previously I've been showing you two falling wedges, like in my so many previous videos. It broke out two falling wedges on the 7 days time frame chart. One was this one, you can see, and after that it broke out another falling wedge pattern, this one, and this was another long-term resistance that was coming from the month of March 2021. You can see that the pricing got rejected here, then we got so many rejections. In fact, this previous resistance was also breaking as a resistance of this next falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout from this second falling wedge pattern, the price line started this rally. And recently, you can see that after the rejection, the price line has broken down this support. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown from the support of $6.36, the price line for the past several days is trying to re-enter or move above this support, and still it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. You can see that the previous support is now flipped into a very strong resistance, and for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, almost a week, it is breaking at a very, very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very, very huge support that was previously breaking as a very strong and long-term resistance, this Ichimoku bearish cloud, and you can see that after the breakout it is also breaking as a very nice support, and the price line is also testing the support right now. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for PolyX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 30th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that the price line was moving inside this buying zone when I shared this idea. And then it started a very, very massive reversal beyond this sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously it was moving inside this very, very big falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this resistance and formed another falling wedge pattern. In fact, this was a very, very huge falling wedge pattern, and these two falling wedges were formed inside the bigger falling wedge pattern. And the previous support of this bigger falling wedge pattern was also breaking as this falling wedge pattern, and the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern was also breaking at the resistance of this next falling wedge pattern as well. And after the breakout, you can see we had a nice rally, but the price got rejected by this long-term resistance of $11.40. And now recently it is moved slightly down than this support of $6.36 as well. That was previously breaking at the resistance here, almost as a resistance here as well. And now we have recently broken it down, but still we have a very, very huge support of Ichimoku bearish cloud. You can see that for the past several months it was breaking at the resistance, and now after the breakout, the price line is using this level as a support. And this is the second week that the price line is moving above the support. Therefore, there can be a probability that the price line may again move above this support of $6.36 using this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. At the same time, there is also a hidden bullish divergence also flash. You can see that the price line is not able to form another lower than previous low. In fact, it is forming a higher low than previous low. At the same time, if we take a look at this stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is forming a lower than previous low. Therefore, there is a hidden bullish divergence signal on the 7 days time frame chart there. That is another signal that the pricing may start soon, a reversal move or a correction move from here. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for these breakouts, Then technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $9. And the final target for this previous falling wedge pattern and this bigger falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I am sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.